Hi there mates! Let me show you two tricks, hopefully useful in the scale modeling. For the first one, I'm going to need plastic spoons. This one has a layer of black varnish. When I'm working on a model, I prepare myself a paint sample. It's always a good idea to describe the sample properly. This way, you can make yourself your own catalog. You can easily compare similar colors. And you don't have to rely on internet charts. For the second trick, we're going to use glass balls. It seems to be an ammo for the swing shot. They are almost as heavy as the metal ones I used before, but they have a huge advantage. They don't corrode. This way you can mix your paint easily, and you are sure it's always safe. I hope this movie will be of use for some of you at least. See you in the next episode. Cheers!